Bagyang lumakas ang bagyong Enteng habang tinatahak nito ang coastal waters ng Binzon's Camarines Norte. May lakas itong 75 kilometers per hour malapit sa gitna at bugso na 90 kilometers per hour habang kumikilos sa west-northwest sa bilis na 10 kph. Nakataas ang Tropical Cyclone Wind Signal number 2 ang hilagang bahagi ng Camarines Norte, the northeastern portion ng Camarines Sur, eastern portion ng Cagayan including Babuyan Islands, eastern portion of Isabela, Polillo Islands, eastern portion ng Quirino at eastern portion ng Kalinga. Signal number 1 naman sa southern portion of Batanes, eastern portion ng Ilocos Norte, eastern portion ng Abra, Apayao at rest of Kalinga, the eastern portion ng Mountain Province, eastern portion ng Ifugao at rest of Cagayan, rest of Isabela, the rest of Quirino, the eastern portion ng Nueva Vizcaya, the rest of Aurora, the eastern portion ng Nueva Ecija, eastern portion ng Bulacan, eastern portion po ng Rizal, eastern portion ng Laguna, northern and southern portions ng Quezon, Marinduque, at rest of Camarines Norte. Rest of Camarines Sur, Albay, Sorsogon, Catanduanes, at ang northern portion ng Masbate. Kasama po ang Ticao at Burias Island.